certainly don't want to disappoint him.
Alright guys, so it's been a little bit. We left off from what I do believe unlocking the CTOS for that one area or getting some secret thing. And now I played a little bit through because it was a bit boring and there was some more tutorials. We found out where he's hacking from. The one that's been terrorizing supposedly our family. So we're going to go to there and figure out what we're going to do from there. Might mess around on the way there, just do some stuff, figure out something. Good old expressway driving. Hey. I was not paying attention. I was paying attention to the sign. Oh, missed my exit. Man, if you had this power to be able to hack anything from your phone, I really don't know what I would do with it. At all. I think I would just destroy everything. I think my inner evil would come out and just take over me. Some of the things these people say are hilarious.
So this guy threatens my family and wants to meet. He knew exactly how to get my attention. Fine, I'll take the bait.
Alright, let's see what we got here. I have a feeling there might be a gunfight here.
The data flows are split. There must be 2 CTOS boxes.
Okay. Got one of them. I'm thinking the other one we gotta go get. there's a camera. There we go. Oh, I hate these things. I'm pretty sure later in the game these probably get pretty complex. This is probably really easy, I'm stupid.
What the hell is this? Bellwether.
I knew you'd find me. You always were one for a mystery. How are you, Aiden?
Damien Branks. The hell is he doing?
I hope you don't mind the games. Wanted to see if you'd lost your edge. We need to talk. And, you'll want to be quick. Breaking in like you did tripped an alarm. This isn't what I had planned for us. But we're about to be interrupted. Come find me. I'll pick someplace nice.
Why would he harass my sister? We haven't spoken since the Merlot.
Looks like there's a new target for all you hitters out there. Drop what you're doing and get on it.
Oh, this is great. Where's that blackout? Uh-oh. Oh no. Come on, cover. I should have been able to black out that thing over there. See if I can get it. No, I can't. Oh well.
Damien. Let's talk.
Call is traced. Alright guys, join back in the next episode. We're gonna pick off right from right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.